Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem smaller or larger. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given an array and with an array we are given a value x. Okay. For example, the value is 15. We need to find the number of elements which are smaller than x and we need to find the number of elements which are greater than x. So what we would do is, first of all, we would compare it one by one with all of them. Okay. So I would have two variables. First is small and second is large. And then whenever I come across a value which is smaller than this, it would be added over here. That means +1. The count has increased. Whenever I come across a value which is larger than this, then the count value would increase +1. So basically, I would traverse the entire array like this and then I would keep on increasing the count of small and large. So this is how I would find the solution to this problem. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve it. So what do you need to do is, you need to go to the practice session. In the difficulty, you need to choose school and then you need to find the problem smaller and larger. So now let's solve it. Okay. So basically, let's read the question. Given a sorted array ARR of size n and a value x, find the number of array elements which are less than or equal to x and elements more than or equal to x. So this is the statement and now we would code it over here, right? So let's do it. So basically first I would declare two variables, less and more, right? Like we discussed. So less initially is 0 and more is also 0, right? So both of them is 0. Now I need to check, right? So how would I check? If the element, so basically if the element that is given to me is less than equal to x. Okay, x is the value that I need to check. If the element given to me is less than equal to x, then what? Then I need to, 1 minute. What do I need to do? I need to increase the value of less by 1, right? Then I need to increase the value of less by 1. Okay. Now, if the element is greater, right? 1 minute. I need to add space over here and I need to add proper indentation over here. 1 moment. The element is greater than equal to x. Then what do I need to do? Then I need to increase the value of more by +1, right? 1 moment. I need to add the equal to. So basically whenever an element is, less than x, it should be in less, and whenever the element is more than x, it should be in more. And finally I would just return with the value of more, right? So return with the value of less, more. Okay, so now I have solved the question. Let me click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. So it is getting compiled. We need to wait, right? So let's wait. Okay, there is an error in it. Let me check. Okay, so I think, okay, so basically element is not defined and that is what is causing the error. And it was because I didn't start the for loop over here, right? So basically let me do it once more. So for element in array, right? Because I need to traverse the array. For element in array, if the element is less than equal to x, then I need to increase the value of less, right? So less plus equal to 1. If, 1 minute, if the element is greater than equal to x, then I need to increase the value of more plus equal to 1. And finally, I would directly return with the value of less, more. Okay. So now this is how we solve the question. I forgot to add the for loop over here. Now let me click on compile and run. Okay. So I'm compiling it. Let's wait. Okay. The compilation is done. and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would click on submit. So I have submitted the problem. Let's wait. So see, the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the question smaller and larger. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching it. Thank you.